Loans. Some of you might feel a bit jaded by this word. From the student loans you struggle to pay off, the car loan you bought into without understanding the terms, or the sketchy little signs promising cash to people who will sign their life away. But here's some good news. When you apply for a home loan, you'll work with mortgage professionals who are not incentivized to rip you off or to sell you on something that you can't afford. The results come down to your loan officer's knowledge, communication, and ability to connect you with the right loan program, which they might refer to as product. And there are many of these, and many loan officers who can sell them to you. Now, when you finance anything, you have to look out for what's too good to be true. The dangers are often hidden in fine print, but with mortgage loans, you shouldn't have to search too deep. When you see an offer for an unbelievable rate, just do the math to see how much the low down payment is going to cost you in annual percentage rate down the road. And if you don't trust yourself to run the numbers, that's fine. Ask any loan officer to help you. What you'll find is that everything balances out one way or another. Ultimately, you have to make a choice of whether you want more upfront savings or down the road savings, taking into account which is a better deal from what's available to you, which is different for everybody. There's two sides to every coin. When you qualify for a low down payment combined with a historically low interest rate, you'll find that means competing with lots of bidders in a similar position, which means more costs. Your loan officer should also prepare you for the closing costs, which are essentially administrative fees that are inevitable, even if you're receiving down payment assistance. Although with certain loan programs, the lender may offer assistance specifically with closing costs. Ask your loan officer if that's possible through their lender. Point is, there's more than just down payment and monthly interest. That's why a loan officer needs to be more than just a teller. They should be an educator, an advisor, and even a messenger between you and the other professionals who are handling your home purchase on both the mortgage and the real estate side. Communication, as we all know, is key. So how do you identify a good loan officer? Customer reviews are often very telling, not just the ones that they post on social media, but those in the public square of Google. Though even there, you may see swarms of reviews from borrowers who got the LO's full attention and none from those who didn't make the cut. So focus on what people are saying. If an LO is highly praised for successfully closing loans that others struggled with, that means they give individual attention to their clients and care about every result. You might look at that and think, well, they have a hard time getting clients. That's why it's so precious. Maybe, but the way to keep clients is to earn rapport in the industry for your consistent results. So if a loan officer is winning tough battles for a small loan, you know they'll pull out all the stops for a jumbo. So that's someone you could probably trust. What kind of loan officer should you watch out for? The overeager LO who sends everyone for pre-approval without guidance, without weighing the pros and cons of their situation, does a great disservice to their potential borrower. They shouldn't hype you up for more than they expect to fulfill, which some do because it means that they get to start more applications and then let the processors tell them if it's viable. If not, they might hang you out to dry. They won't make anything from you, but they're casting a wide net and playing the short game at your expense because you're just a number in their system. That's especially likely to be the case if you go through a bank. Even if you're dealing with a very nice person, they have an endless pipeline of loans they can close and little incentive to focus on your unique situation. So don't be afraid to shop around. That means having conversations with multiple loan officers, and remember, a conversation is not a commitment from either of you. You can still play the field. Their job is to provide you with guidance, which is generally at no cost until you've secured a loan. Compare rates among lenders. You'll find that they're the same for certain programs, but some lenders offer options that others don't. Check them all out. Most importantly, choose a loan officer who answers all your questions and knows their stuff. If you're buying a house, you ought to feel confident about it, so don't settle. If you're looking to get started right now, you can browse our loan officers via the link below, or drop a line in any of our company inboxes and we'll try to connect you with somebody who's perfect for your situation. Good luck on your home buying journey.